In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark theme in Jira. If you spend a lot of time working in Jira, especially in the evenings or in low light environments, switching to dark mode can really help reduce eye strain and make the interface more comfortable to use. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, nice and slowly, so you can follow along while you're in your own Jira workspace. First, make sure you're logged in to your Jira account and that you're on any Jira page, such as your project board, backlog, or issue list. It doesn't matter which project you're in, the option we're looking for is part of your personal profile, so it will be available anywhere within Jira. To start, move your mouse to the top right corner of the Jira window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that might show your initials or an avatar image. Click on that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several personal settings and options related to your account. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Theme. It may appear along with other appearance or display options, but it will clearly say Theme. Go ahead and click on Theme. This will open a small panel or dialog that lets you choose how Jira looks for your account. Within the theme options, you should see a few choices, typically including something like light, dark, and sometimes a system or match your device option. To enable the dark theme, simply click on Dark. The moment you select it, Jira will automatically switch over to the dark color scheme. You'll notice that the background turns darker, menus and panels use deeper shades, and the overall look becomes easier on the eyes, especially in dim environments. This setting is tied to your user account, so it will stay in dark mode even if you switch projects or log in from another computer, as long as you're using the same account. If at any point you decide that dark mode isn't for you, you can follow the exact same steps. Click your profile icon, choose theme, and then switch